Imagine having access to a vast pool of computing resources like storage, servers, and databases, all available on demand over the internet. That's the core idea behind cloud computing, and Microsoft Azure is a powerful platform that makes it all possible. Scalability. Need more processing power or storage? No problem. Azure lets you scale your resources up or down quickly. Cost effectiveness. You only pay for what you use. Reliability, world-class security, and uptime. Flexibility. From websites to artificial intelligence, Azure offers it all. Getting started. Create a free Azure account and explore the intuitive Azure portal. Core services. Delve into Azure Storage for data management and Azure Virtual Machines for on-demand computing. Deploying your first app. Build and deploy a simple web application to Azure. Azure Networking. Configure virtual networks, subnets, and firewalls. Azure Management Tools. Use Azure Resource Manager templates for automating infrastructure. Databases in Azure. Manage data with Azure SQL Database and Cosmos DB. Azure Functions and serverless computing. Write code without server management. Azure Machine Learning. Build, train, and deploy machine learning models. Azure Security. Best practices. Protect your cloud resources with access control and encryption.